Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I have an offer for you. Please watch the video until the end because it will worth it.
Cheers. This car is nice.
Let's get inside. Oh my god.
Ciao Benji! Mi hai?
Az a baj, mert petrolpals nézek. Gyertek! Csá!
He's a true fan.
Yeah, he's a true fan.
Pattints fel! Pattints fel!
Pattints fel! Pop up the hood!
Pam, pam,
Pop
pam.
up the hood! Látom, hogy itt ez valami furcsa, ez az új légszűrő?
Nem, az a porszívó.
Ez az új porszívó.
Az a porszívó.
És ez mit fog majd szolgálni?
Mókát! Mókát! Örömöt.
És hány lóerősre tervezed?
Hát én úgy szeretném, hogy egy ilyen 350 a plafon.
So, yes, that's from an M4. Yeah, you see it right.
And that's original. But a little bit. Yeah, we have some fabrication on it.
Nem, ez még össze lesz dolgozva.
But it's really nice.
Össze lesz dolgozva az
It's
illesztés.
amazing.
És üvegszállal le lesz sablonozva az egész, és akkor ha tetszeni fog az embereknek, akkor sorozatgyártásba fog kerülni.
Holy fuck.
And as you can see, there are a lot of fiberglass parts there. So I guess he knows what he's doing. So we got lights now. First of all, we got to know each other with Benji a few months ago because this is a E46 touring. It's a wagon. And I have a wagon as well, building for drift racing. And he's building for drift racing also. So let's check around. We have max speeding roads suspension in the front, in the back as well, but the back is a little bit fabricated. The arms, which is a Hungarian Weissfab copy, which called Zozo Fab.
Yeah, Benji is crazy.
Everyone here is crazy,
Ja, az jó.
not just Benji.
I know someone who is not crazy enough to do a burnout in his freaking GS300.
Okay, believe me.
You know?
Yeah,
I know somebody.
Yeah, that's
I
me.
don't know who.
Yeah, that's me.
I don't know who.
That's me.
Ez itt a beltér. Van Róna Peti barátomtól egy ilyen nagyon frankó Maxeku. Ez a fullosabbik verzió, ami tud egy tabletet kezelni, és akkor itt látsz mindent. Ja, ez a sport. Szintén Petitől van egy ilyen nagyon fain kis short shifter, tetszetős darab. Meg ugye a kézi, ami szokásos, ide bedobtam az ablakemelő kapcsolókat. És meghagytam a napfénytetőt.
Luxury.
Amúgy nagyon jó olyan, amikor fuldokolsz a füsttel, és akkor csak fogod, nyomod, nyílik, füst ki. Nagyon jó. 4 pontos öv, igazából beltér, ennyi. Ajtó, minden szétvágva.
The interesting things are in the back.
Okay, let's see the back. What you can see in the back.
We have something special here. Oh, not this annoying guy. No,
I found something.
Bye. Bye, Shoma. Thanks for coming. Bye bye. Stuffs are missing.
Yeah, and here's the thing. The rear suspension and the springs are in different places. It's originally on this thing, but here Benji did some fabrication.
And also, you can see this kind of modification in racing suspension, so that's why it's not ordinary. For example, if you order the max speed rods from the shop, for the back suspension, you get separate springs and the shocks. It's better to kind of do this small modification when you lift the car. You don't have to worry about the other spring. There's just one shock, so
Yeah, true.
it's all together.
And as we passing the car, we can see some
Battle
scars, yeah, but just tiny ones, yeah.
Nothing serious.
Yeah, it's just coming off like this. It's nothing serious. This is
An oil pressure gauge.
Oil pressure gauge.
oil pressure gauge.
The inspiration.
It doesn't work.
Bro,
You are
you broke it.
You are not trying in the right way. You are supposed to go like.
Okay. Oh, this is right.
Oh, it's just a sticker.
It's flat. It's just a sticker. I didn't know. We are here, like 20 meters away in the next garage, and here is a container, which is something like other world. I'm out of words!
It's a freaking rotary, man!
I mean, I have never seen something like this in real life, honestly.
I was just standing there, and the car literally said.
The driver says, if I fuck this up in case of drifting, now take photos just to make sure that you see it without any kind of damage.
Maybe the last chance.
Yeah.
Na, ezt is. Nem bírja, nagyon südja.
Matt, how it felt from the inside?
It was like we were ice skating. He was about to turn into the corner, but unfortunately there was a curb there. And as you can see, yeah, sometimes shit happens.
And that's all for this Corolla for today. So why this car is unique? It's an Opel Corsa, but it's freaking touring. And it's completely stock. No modifications.
And this is a street legal V8 E30. Just say.
So here we are next to the RX8. What you saw, guys, from previously.
Oh, and of course, this is a
Yeah.
Audi Sport Quattro.
Yeah. What you see, this body kit, you never see any body kit like this before, because this is 3D designed and fully custom made. And also it's kind of Rocket Bunny style, but it's not a Rocket Bunny. This is their site, modeception.com, and they made everything custom built.
Oh, actually, we saw 13B,
Yeah,
which
yeah.
is the stock engine in these RX8s.
Yeah. And
But-
we drifted it.
Yeah, we actually drifted it. Yeah.
It was quite cool.
Yeah, that's cool.
But-
And it's 230 horsepower,
Yeah.
and it revs around 10,000 RPM. Yeah,
know.
but this thing is another level. It's
They bought all the necessary parts. They bought all the premium parts. So everything is premium built and ready to race. But they have one small little issue that so right now they managed to program a stock program which allows shooting flames and start up the engine and just walk with the car in first gear, but that's all. So right now they're looking forward to, and also guys, if you know anybody, let in the comments below to help these guys out to program up this freaking badass engine and make it run and make it drift and make it scream.
they collected all the parts for this engine, and they sent the parts like separately to Canada, and they built it together, the complete engine, and they sent back the complete engine, and they installed in the car. We cannot find nobody who can make things like this. Yeah, but it's here and it's working.
See this car running and drifting, no one knows. But you can guys help us and help this build with a comment, with a connection who knows how to do mapping in a 20B rotary engine.
So it's getting dark right now. So we are about to doing a little bit of a show. So let's prepare ourselves and let's do some crazy shit. This is kind of an art.
Ott. Akció!
Lőd le!
Valaki lője már le!
Ott.
Hol?
Ott, onnan lentről.
That's how we do it!
Ja.
Megkólázott, ez megint.